In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Spotify. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here. I will click on it, and that automatically starts the download because this is a direct download link, because I was not able to find the offline installer on the Spotify official homepage. After that, I will also download this template package that I have here, and that's because I'll be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have the Spotify installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet Package Explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools, then I will click on Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey Install and then on this Edit button. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet. And because Spotify is a type of software that needs to be installed under the user account and the installation needs to be executed under the user, instead of executing the installation, the snippet will set up active setup so that the installation is executed during the logon process for each user on the computer. And I will copy this snippet by clicking on the button right here. Then I will go back to my package and insert the snippet here. And here we need to provide few values for the snippet to work. First, we need to provide our installation file name, and for that I will go back to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, right click again, and then I will select copy. Then I will go back to my package and insert the name here. And also I need to provide silent switches because we want the installation to happen silently. And for that I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have the silent switch that I will be using for this package. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the value, go back to my package and insert the value here. And that's all the modifications that we need to do for this installation script. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I'll click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Spotify. Then for the package version, I will enter 1.2.26.1187. At least I think that this is the correct version number for this installation package. For the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation. And for the description, I will enter Spotify package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to fill. Now we can save information by clicking on the Save button. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. And then I will go to my Downloads folder and wait for the package to be created. And now that I have my Chocolatey package, I will right click on it, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation because I will be installing this package on this virtual machine. And I will be placing the package in the Downloads folder here. And now that we have the package here, we can try to install it. And for that, I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to modify the active setup registry key. And to install this package, I will enter choco install. Then I need to provide my package ID that we can see here. It's Spotify. So let's type Spotify. And because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's D drive and downloads folder. And also I will add -y and press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. Now to trigger the active setup, we need to sign out from this user and then sign back in. So let's close everything here. Let's sign out. And let's sign back in. I will try to open the task manager and see if I can find Spotify installation. And it should be, oh, I was too late. The Spotify already is installed and it launched for this user. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.